Hi guys, welcome back to Forex technical analysis for swing trading. Today is October 14th, 2025, Tuesday. Okay, so let's, as always, start with the USD index chart. So here we have the majority of the candles are price actions are happening above the yellow moving average line, right? So that means the overall trend is up and market is expected to go up like this. Market seems to be retracing right now and soon it should return into original trend. So USD index having uptrend means USD is getting stronger and we're gonna look for opportunities to buy USD. Okay, let's write it down. Today is Tuesday, USD index trend is up, and our decision is to look for opportunities to buy USD. Okay, now let's analyze the USD Japan yen. So here once again we have the majority of the candles are hanging out above the yellow moving average line. USD is getting stronger, that is good. And just looking at this price in one bigger frame, overall market is going up, which aligns nicely with our short-term trend here, which is good. So we have nice up leg retracement, up leg. Now market seems to be retracing, and if the market retraces about the 50 to 60% zone here, that would be a perfect opportunity to buy USD Japan yen. Until that, we're gonna let market retrace. So let's write it down. USD Japan yen trend is up. Our decision is to wait about the 60% retracement. So in terms of the price leg, market seems to be on the little bit bigger leg, but that's okay. Usually it works out. Okay, USD Canada dollar. So once again, the majority of the candles, majority of the price actions are happening above the yellow moving average line. Trend is up, which is good, and USD Canada dollar aligns nicely with this overall trend, which is also good. So we have nice up leg retracement, up leg. Now market seems to be retracing, and to let the market retrace at least the 50 to 60% zone here, then we would start buying USD Canada dollar. If that is the case, set your stop loss below the local minimum here, which will be very good support, and set your stop loss, set your take profit at the Fibonacci extension 1.618 up there. Your risk and reward ratio should be at least 1 to 2. So let's write it down. USD Canada dollar looks very good right now. Okay, next pair, USD Schweizer franc. So here we have majority of the candles are hanging out above the yellow moving average line. That means the overall trend is up and market is expected to up, retracement up like this. But one thing I don't like about the USD Schweizer franc is that overall trend in bigger picture that seems to be down, right? So here market is turning into trend reversal. So for that reason, I would like to choose pair where longer and shorter term trends both align. So for that reason, I wouldn't recommend trading USD Schweizer franc right now. USD Canada dollar, USD Japan yen, they look much better than USD Schweizer franc. Okay, Euro USD. So here we have down leg retracement, down leg. Majority of the candles are hanging out below the yellow moving average line. the short-term trend is definitely down, and I would expect the market to retrace a little bit, hit 50 to 60% retracement zone there, then it should return into original downtrend. So Euro USD is, once again, it's my favorite pair to trade because it's very stable. So one thing I would like to point out is that although shorter term trend is down like this, and in one big picture, overall longer term trend may be up. So of course, follow my system trend at this point, consider it the down, and trend reversal has happened. But as you guys seen on USD Japan Yen and USD Canada Dollar, if the longer term trend aligns with the shorter term trend, that's even the strongest signal. So for that reason, I wouldn't recommend Euro USD right now. So let's write it down. Euro USD trend is down, and our decision is to wait. The only reason I'm not trading Euro USD is that USD Japan Yen, USD Canada Dollar looks much better. Okay, Aussie. So here once again the same story. So although we have trend reversal has happened, majority of the candles are hanging out below the yellow moving average line, which means down, up, down, retracement, down, should continue to go down like this. But the only reason I'm not trading Aussie is that, you see, in Aussie, the longer term, this uptrend is not really aligning with the shorter term downtrend. So again, once again, if you guys ask me what is the trend right now as of today, I will definitely say the shorter term trend is down. Market is expected to go down. But if it aligns with the longer term trend, it's even strongest signal. For that reason, don't trade Aussie. Instead, wait the opportunities on USD Japan Yen and Loonie. So let's write it down. Aussie trend is down, and our decision is to wait. Okay, New Zealand dollar USD looks even better. So we have majority of the candles are hanging out below the yellow moving average line. USD is getting stronger against New Zealand dollar. That is very good. So we have up leg retracement, down leg retracement, down leg, and this local maximum resistance is very likely to hold if the trend is still down. So right now market seems to be retracing, and to let the market retrace into 50 to 60% zone here, that would be a perfect opportunity to start selling New Zealand dollar USD. If that is the case, I'll set my stop loss above the local maximum there. And once again, the shorter term trend is definitely down here, but if you look at the overall window of all these candles that fit in this screen, you see overall trend is still down. If the longer term trend aligns with the shorter term trend, that is the strongest signal. That's why New Zealand dollar USD looks best as of today. All right, let's write it down. New Zealand dollar USD trend is down. Leg size is nice. Our decision is to wait 50% retracement, then start selling New Zealand dollar USD. So right now, as of today, I would focus on USD Schweizer franc, Loonie, and New Zealand dollar USD for best USD buy opportunities. And in terms of the price actions and size of the legs, New Zealand dollar USD looks best. Alright guys, thank you guys watching, and get ready to buy USD.